I don't even know how to use this anymore. Where's my hat? I'm back and I feel refreshed and happy and excited. So let's talk about this project in the shop. So change of plans. Doesn't look like I'm gonna get to the shop today because my car won't start. While I wait for my car to be just taken care of, nothing big deal, just a jump start. I wanted to talk to you guys about what the plan is. I'm actually gonna enter in a challenge that I did last year. I had a lot of fun. So this year, the challenge is to bend wood. Rockler is throwing it, the Modern Maker podcast is hosting it. This challenge is bending wood in any way, shape, or form you can. I'm gonna make my wedding ring 2.0, but I wanted to warn you, this is not how to make a ring. Don't follow along thinking you're gonna learn. This is just me problem solving because I don't have the proper tools to make the wedding ring. So I'm excited. So this is really what I'm thinking of accomplishing with my wedding ring 2.0. The main problem we had with this is if we want to draw it out, it basically was a very shallow U, and so the surface area that the wood had to grab was not really enough. The plan for the new ring is to kind of create a groove that the wood can really grab onto using like super glue or any other type of adhesion. So this would be kind of the side profile, and so when you're wrapping the wood, it kind of goes around, and it's going to really be significantly better. Let's go ahead and start up that forge. Boom. So it's overlapped. Now I want to actually cut this. I have a lot of grinding to do. I may have kind of made it a little too small. I cut it too small, just a sliver. I'm not too worried. I'm gonna fill it in with weld. So far we're on the right track. So I welded the two ends. Now I'm just gonna grind and finish everything to size. You can kind of see in my wedding ring, it's significantly thicker, which was the plan, so I can have something to grind away, just tons of grinding. Then after that, finally, I can bend the wood into a groove that I'm gonna cut. One idea that came to mind was using a angle grinder. Put this on a drill, have this spin as the angle grinder is spinning. I don't know if that's a good idea. I'm gonna try it. Because it's not centered properly, it keeps on kind of like doing a little loop, and then that loop, yeah, so that was one of my fears. It's still salvageable. I'm thinking I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna do this a second time. I had to refinish the face because it was just minor grooves that were fine. Taking forever. I need something faster because I'm gonna be here all winter long. So we're getting creative here. I came up with an idea. So we got our drill, we got our rubber band. Boom, baby. Now I'm using a nice small file. I need a little bit more speed, so I just click on it. Boom, the rubber band works. Okay, if that's not genius, then I don't know what is. So I cleaned up all the metal working And we're done with that. Now my favorite part. I have this piece of wood. I have no idea what the species is. It just looks really pretty. And for the sake of this story and me recreating my old ring, I'm just gonna use this because it's beautiful. It's thin enough. I hope it's not too thin. Sweet. Now to the bending. Oh, we got the ring and the wood. I try to sand it as thin as I possibly can because from experience, I found that it would just crack. It would just split and just be a headache. So the thinner the better. Now I'm gonna heat up some water. I'm gonna soak it in for like 10 minutes and then wrap it around this little knot. It's whatever. It just needs to be round, and I kind of let it dry for a sec so then I can wrap it. These are a lot wider strips than I need. I cut 2 just in case I ruin one. We're gonna let this dry. We're gonna wait another 10 minutes or so, and then we should be good. So yeah, there's my wedding ring 2.0. I'm happy with it. I love it. I think it looks a lot more refined. Yeah, it still has that rugged look. It feels a lot more comfortable even though it's a lot wider. So until next time, BeeNeh.